To learn Python programming language, please subscribe Universal channel. So today we are going to discuss about the topic called list. List is nothing but we can store any type of data like tuples and strings. List is mutable. We can access the element from the last or we can access the element from the first. We can access the element by using the index. So first we will learn how to create a list. So let's going to look an example. The list is created like this way. Here the creation of list is completed. So if you want to insert any element, like I want to insert string. So this is a way how we are creating a list. Now if I want to print element, then print L. Here we have seen an output that we have printed an elements which are present in the list.